Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be recommending 5 stocks for 5th April 2021. So this recommendation and analysis is for 5th April only. You'll see me on 6th April with a new list of stocks for day trading. So this list is for day trading purpose only. Okay, this is not for investment and all, because I bring videos on daily basis so that you can go for day trading. And I would like to mention one more thing, that I do not cover penny stocks because technical analysis do not work in penny stocks because of manipulation by the operators and lower volume. Okay, so I'll only be covering the stocks with good amount of volume. Okay, so the first stock for the day is Menulife MFC. You can see that the last traded price of the stock is 27.28. This is the last traded price. And as you can see, the overall trend of the stock is very bullish and beautiful stock, undoubtedly. Okay. So what should be a strategy then? The strategy is simple. As you can see, during the last trading session, the stock has formed a hammer kind of pattern with price rejection from below, which suggests that buyers are present in the market who wants to take the market upward. Okay. So as a result, we will only be looking for buying opportunity on the stock above 27.30. So if you get the stock above this price level and you see that the stock is bullish, buyers are present in the market, they want to take the stock upward, go for a buy above this level, 27.20 level. So the next stock for a day is CNQ, CDN Natural. For CDN Natural, okay, similar strategy. You can see that the last traded price is 39.62. This is the last traded price. And on the daily chart or during the Friday session, it has formed a hammer pattern, pure hammer pattern. Means market open here. Sellers try to take the stock downward, okay, made a low, but bulls were stronger than the sellers and they took the price all the way up and closed here. As a result, it formed a hammer. Hammer pattern is a bullish reversal pattern. So we must be bullish on the stock, and overall we can see that the trend of the stock is towards the upside. Therefore, no selling call. And as you can see, the stock has closed at the day's high. Okay, therefore we will only be looking for buying opportunity above this call. If you get the stock above 39.62 level, go for a buy. In case there is a gap up open, wait for 15-30 minutes and just observe the price. Just try to understand the market psychology. If you see that after 15-30 minutes the stock is trading comfortably, there is no price struggle. Okay, that, or in case there is a gap down open or something like that and the stock crosses this level during the market session. Okay, suppose the stock opens at 39.5 and during the market session it crosses this level. Okay, then also you need to wait for 15-30 minutes, because you need to get the confirmation. You will have to become sure whether it is a breakout or a fake out. Once you get the confirmation that yes, it's a breakout, okay, then the resistance is the support and you can easily go for a buy. So 39.62 is a key level for CDN Natural. Buy above 39.62 only. So the next stock for the day is TRP, TC Energy. For TC Energy, we can see that the last traded price is 58.71. Just like the previous two stocks, TC Energy has also went down, but bulls were present and they took the price all the way up, ultimately closed at the day's high 58.71. Same strategy with TC Energy also, just like MFC and CDN Natural. Okay, buy above 58.71 only. Gap up, if there's a gap up open, wait for 15-30 minutes. In case there's a breakout, again wait for 15-30 minutes. Let the resistance become the support. Let the price come to you. Let the area of value match. Okay, then only go for a buy above 58.71. So this is the buy call for TC Energy at 58.71. So the fourth stock for the day is Enbridge, one of the most popular stock in on TSX. The last traded price of the stock is 46.23. Okay, 46.23 is the last traded price, and as you can see, the stock has formed a pin bar kind of a pattern. Okay, with good price rejection from below, means price went price went down, but bulls did not like the price. They push the price all the way up and ultimately close like this, which signifies that there was a huge buying pressure from the bulls. Bulls did not like the price, so this is a very bullish sign. Okay, so whenever we get to see a candle like this, we should only be looking for buying opportunity. And as we can see, that this is also okay, this stock has also closed at the day's high, so buy above 46.23 only. Same strategy only. If there's a gap up open, wait for 15-30 minutes. If there's a breakout, again wait for 15-30 minutes. Whatever it is, 46.23 is the key price level for Enbridge. And the last stock for the day is Suncor Energy. For Suncor Energy also, can see that again I'm giving you a buy call. Okay, the stock has closed at day's high. Okay, day's high at 27.02, and surprisingly the stock has somehow managed to close at the resistance level. There is a resistance here. Okay, so unlike the other stocks, okay, we will be buying above 27.10. Instead of 02, we will be buying at 27.10. Okay, because see, the stock has formed a bullish candle with price rejection from below, so there is no point in looking for selling opportunity. So buy call above 27.10. Again, wait for the confirmation. If there is a gap up open, 15-30 minutes waiting period. If there's a breakout, wait for 15-20-30 minutes. Let the resistance become the support, then only you should go for a buy order. Okay, so these are the 5 stocks that you can trade on Monday, 5th April. Hopefully you have understood, and if you liked the video and found the video informative, please do not forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and stock recommendation. Thank you so much, all the best. And if you're watching my channel for the first time, please hit the subscribe button because I bring videos daily.